the spirit of entrepreneurship. Make sure you teach your child how to be a business person. Don't teach them how to be educated servants of other people. Don't teach them to have a job. Teach them to build their own and start it as early as possible. Right? You're gonna start it when they're 5, when they're 6, when they're 8, when they're 11, whenever. Because even though those businesses might not work out, they will still teach them a great deal about life and about business. We need warriors who can do for self. We need warriors who are self-sustaining. We need warriors who will use their personal skills and talents for the benefit of our community. Teach them to be a business person. Now, it's one thing to teach them how to be a business person with your words. It's one thing to teach the spirit of entrepreneurship just by saying you should do this and you should do that. And it's a totally other kind of thing when you do it yourself. Show your children that they can build their business by building your own. That is the best example.